video. I'm about to buy the one and only Simone Nicole, and that's some what? Period poo. Oh, wait a minute. I don't have my jewelry on. Wait a minute. I'll put my rings back on. Okay, I'm back. So I have my jewelry on. Shout out to my auntie for getting me this ring for Christmas. I appreciate it so much. And my boyfriend. Shout out to y'all. But oh yeah, my sister got me this ring right here for one of my birthdays, my 27th birthday, I believe. Yep. But anyway, back to the video. So I want to give some shout outs to some of my new subscribers. The first one will be Nicole M. Hey girl, we got the same name, Nicole, honey. And the other one is JH. And then another shout out will be going to Nampanda Lande. I think that's how you pronounce it. And Mia Smith, another subscriber to the channel. Alexander Voivia. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Me 170. Lynn Boating. Angel Machian. Angel Machian. And last but not least, Yasmin Baskins. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. We're on the road to 500 and have you all to thank, and everyone else who has subscribed previously. So in this video, I'll be doing I hope everyone's having a happy, I hope everyone had a happy new year, had a Merry Christmas. Hope everyone's doing well. How y'all doing for the first month of this new year, 2022? January's almost over. We're almost into February. How y'all doing? How y'all living? How has it been? Whew. Comment down below if you want to share any deets. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. So in this video, I'll be doing a what's in my everyday bag. My everyday bag that I'm carrying at the moment is my drum roll. Boom. My Louis Vuitton pochette accessory. That is what I'm carrying at the moment. Here she is, the beauty. We all know the story behind this bag. If you don't know, go watch the other videos. But this is my lovely baby. She's a bit packed at the moment. I don't always wear her like this, where it's bunching up at the top, but it doesn't really bother me, to be honest. It doesn't bother me at all. I know a lot of people don't like to do that because they feel like it's gonna warp the bag. But yeah, this is the bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's inside of it. So opening it up, I think I need to lower this. It's a bit high. All right, let's unzip her. So now what I normally have in it as well, the first thing we're gonna talk about is the iPhone. So I usually keep my iPhone inside of the bag, but at this moment it's not inside of it because I was just using it to tell you guys about my new subscribers. So we have the keys, of course. You need keys. You gotta go, and if you need to go somewhere, you need your keys. So I have this, what is a strap card called? It's like a wrist thing. You hang it on your wrist. I purchased it from an Etsy shop. So I purchased it from an Etsy shop. I'll link this down below so you guys can purchase it if you would like to. I've had it for about 3 months, I want to say. I bought it from Etsy when I was in Vegas. And I had it delivered to the hotel. And then I have my AirPods on it. I'll recommend if anybody puts the AirPods on their keychains for easy access. If you ever have to like take it apart from your keys, if like someone's using your car, or if you're going to the dealership a lot, I would advise you getting the clip instead of the ring, because it takes a minute to take off versus just having the clip to clip it off. But I really love this case. I've had it about the same time I've had it as long as I've had this one right here. I purchased them around the same time. So yeah, this is my AirPods. I purchased this from Amazon. And then I have the keys to my Hyundai, baby. This will be replaced with the Mercedes one day. We're gonna speak it. We're gonna speak it. And then I have this things that don't really matter. You know, the clicker, a little charm, and then keys to the house. From Mama's house. So yeah, keys. And then we have, so I'm gonna tell you guys what's in the actual big pocket first, and then we'll go into the side pocket. So there's some receipts. Your girl be shopping sometimes. Where did I go? This is a receipt, from Sushi. I got the special, the lunchtime special. Make sure you get those lunchtime specials, you guys. I got the California roll and the shrimp tempura roll. And then this is from Fancy Sushi. And I purchased the same thing. I think I just got the shrimp tempura from the Fancy Sushi, because this one was $8 and this one was $12.09. And if you're in Jacksonville, Florida, that's where I'm at right now filming this video, hit up Fancy Sushi and Sushi Yeet. They're so good. Yeah, that's where I went. And then let's see, we have a pad. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. And then we have 2 of these Sanitary Antiseptic hand wipes, 12 by 18 cm. So yeah, these are nice to have on deck, honey, especially with the uproar of what's been happening. It's been getting a lot worse, and it's nice to have these little packets. I purchased these from a gas station, to be honest. They came in a kit that had gloves, a mask, 2 masks, and these. So it's, oh, they also had not just the white, but the liquid. So it was like a Germex inside of a pouch, just like this, that you can purchase from a gas station. So that was really nice. I like to purchase things like this in sets because it just makes more sense versus having to have different packages of everything. I like having a set, and I can just put the set in a purse or in the car instead of carry around big bottles. Yeah, but we use those, so that's why they're not in here. And then of course we have a mask. You guys probably seen this mask before. This is my Bgc mask. I bought it in New York when we were visiting Billionaire Girls Club. It's a little bit faded, but yeah, this is my mask. Isn't it so cute? So cute. I don't know what it is, but every time I do put makeup on, I get the sniffles. Does anybody else go through that? Let's see. Okay, and then we have some Lippies. Let's go ahead and pull the Lippies out. So we have how many Lippies, girl? My pet peeve is having dry, crusty lips. I hate that feeling of like, I don't know, I just hate that feeling. I don't like that. That's one thing I do not like having, and I will make sure it's handled. So we have 4. We have 4 in there. So let's see. Let's do it in the order that I would apply it. So I have a lip liner. Which one is this? This is from NYX. And I recently purchased this from Target, and this is the Club Hopper. NYX Club Hopper. And then we have MAC. This is Bad and Bare by MAC. Can you guys see? Bad and Bare by MAC, in case you want to see how it looks. It's like a nude for dark skin. I don't have it on right now, but as you can see, I usually put it on top of my lip liner. And I usually use Chestnut with this, to be honest, Chestnut by MAC. Today I have on the brown. Oh, is it brown? I have on the Club Hopper today, I believe. And then my glosses. I have my 2 glosses. This is from Chanel. And this is called Roach Cocoa Gloss. And this is how it looks. You can't really see too much. I've used this a lot. The color's a little bit darker than what it came because I apply it on top of my brown lip liner to my brown lipstick, so the color's kind of a little bit darker. And then I have the Butter Gloss NYX. And this is one of my favorites. Praline is the name of this one. Praline. The one that I had in here was Cinnamon Roll. Cinnamon Roll is one of my favorites as well. It's an easy gloss. Like, you don't have to even have lip liner on with the Cinnamon Roll. And I think that one's in my vehicle at the moment. I think it fell out my purse. It's in the car somewhere. But yeah, I didn't show you guys how Club Hopper looks. Let's see. This is how Club Hopper looks. Very similar to the Chestnut from MAC. All right, that's all the lippies. And then I have some lotion. My auntie gave me this for Christmas. It's holiday lotion. Pink, amber, and vanilla hand and body moisturizer. I really like the way it smells. It's very clean, fresh scent. So yeah, gotta have that, especially for this cold weather. Oh, there's another receipt in here. Where is this from? Lucky Key Fuji, y'all, restaurant. I don't remember this. This is in Atlanta. It's in Tucker, Georgia, where I bought something. I don't remember this though. And then, ooh, we got some cash, honey. I'm rich. I'm just kidding. I'm not rich. But there's some cash in here I need to deposit into my bank account. That's in there. We have my wallet. Speaking of money, we have my wallet in here. It's my it's a card holder by Louis Vuitton. I have my cards in there. It fits at the moment. This is how many that I have. You can see those. And it's like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 cards. And then I have some scents inside of it on the side. These are the ones that I've been really in love with lately. We have the Ebony Woods and the Lancome Intense. And they both smell so good. I smell so good. I smell. Y'all seen that TikTok? It's not smelling good. It's I'm doing so good. And then I have another scent. This is a roll-on from Victoria's Secret called Love. I've had this for a very long time. I'm surprised that there's still a lot in there. Yeah, this smells good. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. And then we have the Louis Vuitton receipt and the client advisor's card in here. And a little card that comes with all the bags you purchase. And let's see. Oh, we have a little bit of we have a hair tie situation thing in here. It stretches pretty far, but this is not gonna fit my whole ponytail. I can't remember why I bought these. Well, why did I buy these? I don't know. I bought a whole pack of them to use for something. I think when I want to do like, you know, half down, I want to use something small like this because it makes more sense. And then I have a necklace in here that broke. I don't know where the actual pendant went. Oh no. But this is the chain. It's so old and it's so, we gotta throw this away. And then we have some change in here. Some trash. So I have, let's see, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 cents at the bottom of my bag. So that is it for the actual deep pockets. And you know what? I'm so proud of myself. I don't have any stains in here. There's no stains. There's just like trash in there that can be brushed out. I'm so happy that I don't have any stains in there. I don't have any marks. The fabric still looks brand new, and I'm happy about that. And so in the pocket here, we have, oh, this is the advisor from the Hyundai dealership that I went to, his card here in Jacksonville. Oh, here's the pendant. My sister bought me this also for one of my Christmas gifts a couple years ago. It's if you know, you know. But I need to buy a new chain to go with it so I can wear it. And then the last item in here, last but certainly not least, honey, is the vaccination card. Let me tell y'all something. The reason why y'all haven't seen me on screen like this in a while, since 2022 has started, is because your girl, I actually got sick after I took my second vaccination shot. It was right before Christmas when I got sick, and I was just out of it. Didn't feel like doing anything really, didn't feel like going anywhere. It took me a minute to get my energy back up to like be more productive and like be active. I don't know, just like something about being sick that last time made me just real lazy, real like slump. I mean, of course I'm better now. I've been better for a while, but like Landon said, honey, y'all saw Landon's post. It tried to take me out. But I'm still here.
Fuck COVID and fuck motherfucking Omarion. I whooped that bitch ass. I grabbed him like this and start whop. Like Muhammad Ali, I laid into that bitch and I won, as you can see. It's time for the new year. I'm ready to shake some motherfucking ass. I'm gonna throw that bitch round around like a damn merry-go. Turn it off. Hey!
I don't know for sure if it was COVID or Omicron, because I wasn't able to get tested because I was in Atlanta, Georgia when I got sick, and they were sold out of all of the. Anyways, this video is not about that, but that is the end of my what's in my everyday bag for 2022. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.